Hi everyone, I'm Bhakti from the Bodhi Journal. I really wanted to do ASMR video but the construction noise was terrible. Anyway, let's get to journaling. I am using the coffee journaling kit, the link to which is available in the description box below. It has Polaroids, stickers, postcards. Using this postcard on one page, I'm using a glue tape which is super easy and mess free to use. Oh, seems like this one got over. Now I'm selecting two key elements from the Polaroids. Selecting something that has similar color tones. Here I'm using craft paper and coffee filter paper as base. While I'm sticking these elements, do comment what's your favorite theme to journal. I have used this cookie tin box to store my pens and other stationery, taking out the tweezers that will help me to peel the stickers. Here I am tearing out the filter paper randomly, crumpling it and pasting. Once we have pasted the key elements, we will add the other surrounding elements. Between these two coffee stains, I'm going for the bigger one here. Also notice the color tone is similar to the Polaroids. Since I wanted something more fancy, I'm replacing this coffee sticker with this one. That's about it. Here's the complete spread. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. See you in the next one. Bye and keep creating.